Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. As you know, I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba. Today, I'll be giving you some trading style that you can be able to use for free at no cost. So, grab your pen and paper and make sure you document each and every information that I give you. But without wasting much time, click the like, click the subscribe, and also click the notification bell so that you get notified I give you guys some new information. Let's go into the charts. Yes, welcome to the charts. I'm back, guys. So now I'll be giving you guys this strategy at no cost. It's one of the most easiest strategy that you can utilize into the forex market. But firstly, you have to understand how to apply it. Okay, firstly, you need to go to daily. You have to understand the type of trend where you are. You have to go to daily time frame. I'm on daily time frame, and then for an easier way, change to a line chart. See, now I can see I'm on a line chart. Now I can see that we had a move going up, and then here we had a move going down, which was what? A down trend. So as you know, with your trend line, if you have something like this, you would know that anything above this anything above this line simply says we are in a uptrend, and then anything below here simply saying what? We are in a downtrend. But you have to take into account as well that you need to understand where the new trend starts. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start by drawing my significant levels. So we know that the significant levels or the points of resistance and support, they happen where the market tends to turn more than uh, 2 or 3 times, or even more, where you have multiple touches. So you can see here I have what? A touch here, and then a touch here, and then we broke, we came back, retest, and then formed a double top. So you can see that this point, let me use this point that happened, it's very much significant. This area is very much significant, you see. So what I can say is that you have every right to draw it here. So now I'm gonna draw others. Where is my okay? Look here, you can hover around here, you'll see it will show you the ones that are most practical. Okay, we have something, this one. So try to make sure that you don't draw many of them so that you can get clarity on the chart. Always remember, this will become better with practice. So you can see where we are now. We are approaching this resistance. So we'll see much more information if we go to smaller time frame. Okay. So now we've drawn this, and then now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my trend line. You see, we have this, the bigger one showing us the movement of the downtrend, which is ending here. You can see it's coming here. For you to be able to draw this, you can draw a line parallel to this one, and then you drag it down. Okay, so now I see we have what? We have a channel, a downtrend. So now we are here. Okay, This is simply telling us that we from here, this is a strong, from here we have two opportunities that can happen. Push up to the upside, or we can do this push. So let me go to 4-hour time frame. So I know what I'm looking for. We have these two opportunities. We can only buy once it breaks and retest. We know that it's indeed showing us directional opportunity upside. But then you see, I'm still on what? On a line chart. Then I'm gonna draw my management line, which is showing me that we have another trend happening here. So below here, when it breaks, it's a sell, and then above there, it's a buy. Let me just write it here. Buy, and then sell. Then now what I can do, I can change back to my candlestick formations. Take into account of this, I said the break here. So we can have an early entry here, but we must remember that much more confirmation will come when it breaks. But if we break above and then we come retest, it will happen somewhere here. Because there, I was showing you on daily time frame. So even this one, oops. So, okay. So you can see this was a significance. You can see even here it came, retest, pushed further up. So we have a very strong level here. So take into account of what is currently happening here. You can just push this one here a little bit. Okay. So the break here, I'll expect to sell to the downside, and the break here, I'll expect to continue to the upside. So I can say we are looking for a very nice trade, but also take into account the type of pattern that is happening here. As you can see, this one, for this to happen, that means we'll be having this type of formation. A nice head and shoulders, yes. It's a bigger one if we don't take into account this one, or you can rather even take it here. Let's see. Yeah. So it's possible to come and then above there we look for buying opportunities. So always leave a room for a change in the market. Don't be forcing trades. So you can see we have an analysis showing us that yes, indeed we have a potential sell, understand, but only if they fail to break here. So wait, be patient, and take the right trade. I'm glad I could share with you this free strategy. Please apply it and also make sure you risk well. In that way, it will assist you to be a profitable trader, and as well as identifying the break out of the pattern. You have to understand, because one thing I say that I expect to happen here, it's something that happened here. Look at the break. Do you see? This was the break. So whatever is happening here is the same thing that happened here. So you see, it's a channel and then it broke here, continued, but here we have it at the beginning. So please make sure you click the like, subscribe and notification bell so that you get notified every time I give you guys new videos from me, your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. Catch me in the next video.